In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quantower Range Bars. Range bars build each bar solely on price movement, not time. Each bar spans a fixed price height, and a new one forms only when price moves that amount. This filters quiet periods and emphasizes volatility and structure, making them useful for scalping and intraday trend analysis. To begin, open a chart panel for any instrument you want to analyze: futures, forex, crypto, or stocks. If a chart is already open, use it. Otherwise, add a new chart panel in your workspace and load the symbol. Give it a moment to pull historical data. Now switch the chart type. At the top of the chart, find the aggregation type or timeframe selector. This controls how bars are built. From the list, choose Range Bars. You'll see other types like tick, time, and Renko, but we'll focus on range. After selection, Quantower will rebuild the chart accordingly. You'll be prompted to set the range value, typically in ticks, like 5 ticks or 10 ticks. A tick is the instrument's minimum price increment, so a 10-tick range means every bar has that exact height. Smaller ranges produce more bars and finer detail. Larger ranges reduce noise and show broader swings. There's no time frame here. Bars form only when price travels your chosen distance. In fast markets, bars print quickly. In slow markets, they pause. A practical approach is to start with a moderate value, then adjust. If the picture looks too choppy, increase the range. If it feels sluggish, decrease it. Be mindful of the instrument's tick size and typical volatility so your range isn't unrealistically tight or excessively wide. Finally, customize the chart so it's easy to read. Right-click the chart and open Settings. Here you can switch between candles and bars, set up and down colors, tune the grid and background, and manage indicators. High contrast speeds recognition, so pick clear colors and, if you like the result, save it as a template. That's the workflow. Open a chart, switch to range bars, set an appropriate range, and tailor the visuals. With this setup, you'll get a consistent, price-driven view that can make trends, pullbacks, and breakouts easier to read inside Quantower.